In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a list in Asana. We'll walk through 2 common ways to build clear, organized lists, starting a fresh project from scratch and structuring your My Tasks view so you always know what to tackle next. By the end, you'll have a clean, simple system you can trust. Let's begin with a brand new project. In Asana's top bar, click the plus icon and choose Project. When the setup window opens, pick the blank project option so you're starting with a clean slate and set the default view to List. This keeps everything in a neat top-to-bottom format that's perfect for checklists, backlogs, or step-by-step workflows. Give your project a clear, descriptive name. Think about how you'll find it later and what it's for. A quick tip: include a keyword like the team or purpose, so it's searchable at a glance. Now start adding tasks. Click into the first line, type the task name, and press enter. Each time you hit enter, Asana creates the next task automatically, so you can rapid fire your list without breaking your flow. Keep names short and actionable, like draft outline or send review, so it's obvious what needs to happen. To organize related work, create sections, type a section name and press enter, or use the keyboard shortcut tab plus N to add a new section instantly. Sections act like headers that group tasks, such as planning, in progress, and done. If something ends up in the wrong place, simply drag and drop tasks to move them between sections. You can rearrange sections the same way, so the most important work sits at the top. Next, let's shape your personal workflow in My Tasks. Open your My Tasks page and click Customize. Add custom sections such as today, this week, and later. This creates a simple, time-based system that helps you focus without overthinking priorities. Move tasks into the right sections by dragging and dropping, or click the small arrow on a task and choose the section from the menu. This is great for quick triage at the start or end of your day. Make it a habit to assign due dates to keep everything on track. Regularly reviewing dates helps prevent last-minute scrambles and makes your list reflect what's truly urgent versus what can wait. Finally, use filters to refine what you see. Sort by Asana, due date, or other criteria to highlight what matters most in the moment. Filters are ideal when your list grows and you want a focused view without changing your underlying structure. That's it. Your Asana list is now organized, flexible, and easy to maintain.